Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to make a simple CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the basic commands. Okay, so let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch and select the front plane, the XY plane. Select the circle command and select this center point. Make a diameter of 75 mm. Okay, and from same center point, make diameter 67 mm. Now go to 3D model, take extrude. Here select this internal profile and here we are going to take a 90 mm extrude and this will be a symmetric extrude. Okay, now press OK. Now here you can see the wing profile. So to make this wing profile for clamping, first we are going to make a new plane. So go to plane and here we will select tangent to surface and parallel to plane. Okay, go to origin and here we are going to select the right plane, the YZ plane, and we'll select the internal profile. Okay, so this will be tangent to this uh, right circular profile and will be parallel to the YZ plane. Okay, now here select this plane, go to create sketch. So this will be the right view. Now here go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Okay, so you can see the internal cut profile. Okay, this line is of diameter 65. Now here go to sketch and here take the circle command and make a circle over here of diameter 70. Here go to line command, make one line here and join it till here and one joining profile here. Okay, now go to vertical constraint, select, okay, we are going to take horizontal constraint, select this point and select the center point. Okay, go to dimension, from the center point the height here will be of 85 mm. Okay, and go to project geometry, project this outer profile. Now go to dimension, this dimension from this outer profile will be at 20 mm. Okay, and escape. So we will come out from the dimension. Now go to tangent constraint, select this circular profile, select this line, similarly select the circular profile and select this line. Okay, now escape. Now here we have a movement here. So to constrain this, go to project geometry, project this profile, escape, go to coincident, select this corner point and select this line. So this is fully constrained now. Escape. Now go to line command, make a center line over here. Okay, escape, go to line once again and make one line here. Now escape. Now go to trim command and trim this bottom profile. Escape. You can trim this outer profiles also, trim this and this also. Okay, escape. Select this line. Okay, you can select both the lines and make it a construction geometry. Okay, this is just for reference. Now here go to 3D model, take extrude, select this profile. Here we will take a extrude of 5 mm. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. You can see here this profile is going outside, so we'll flip the direction. Okay, and here we are taking join. Now you can see if I rotate this profile, you can see this profile is going inside. Okay, now here press OK. So this will be a merging profile here. That's why we have taken the profile little bit inside to the circular profile. Now here select this plane 1, right click and turn off the visibility. Now take the mirror command and select this profile. Go to mirror plane and select the YZ plane So same profile will be mirrored this side and press OK. Okay. Now here go to fillet command, select this edge, rotate and select this inner edge. Here we are going to take radius of 30. So this will make a round profile over here. Now press OK. So this will be the profile. Now we want to give the mounting holes. So select this face, go to create sketch. Here select the circle command and we'll define the center point. So this will be the center point and we'll take a dia here of 25 mm. Go to 3D model, take extrude and here we'll take all and this will be a cut profile. Now press OK. So this will be the profile. Now here go to fillet again and select this edge and select this edge. So this will also be of 30 mm radius and apply. Now change the radius to 2 mm. Go to edge selection and select the all outer edges. Okay, one by one select all the edges, rotate. Okay, all are been selected. You can select this also, this bottom, rotate this side and this side. Okay, and press OK. Now you can give the appearance. From here we will define the glossy gold. So this will be a yellowish finish. Okay, so this will be the final profile. So I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.